Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Leon and this is Kim and we're from passionfordancing.com, where we teach people how to dance online with videos. And today we're going to teach you how to dance the salsa. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to do any salsa at all, this video is for you. So in this video, we're just going to cover the two most fundamental salsa basic steps. The basic step forward and back, as well as the side basic step, and then we're going to put them in a combo together. So let's get to it. All right, so we're going to start with the first fundamental salsa basic step right now. We're going to do it with you, and we want you to follow with us from home as we do it. So just get off your couch and follow along with us. This is the most basic step. We're going to both do the same step for now. So we're going to go forward with the left, replace back on the right, and then close left foot to right foot and switch weight. Now back onto the right, replace on the left, close right foot to left foot and switch weight. That's all it is. That's the basic step of the salsa. So let's do it one more time with us. Step forward left, replace on the right, and close, switch weight. Back with the right, replace on the left, close right foot to left foot. And again, forward, replace together, and back, replace together. Now, one important thing you must realize when you do this step is that you're switching your weight from foot to foot every time. So I'm going to go forward, replace together. I'm always changing the weight from one foot to the other. I don't want to just kind of tap like this, okay? You really want to put your weight into it and kind of get into your hip, okay? Now, let's do it one more time, and this time we're going to do it to the count. So we're going to count in eights. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and then back on 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So we really dance on 6 of the 8 counts, and then 2 of those counts are pauses. So let me demonstrate that again. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold the 4, 5, 6, 7, hold the 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, just so you know, I have done an extensive video on how to count the salsa. So I'll link to that video somewhere here on the video, or there's going to be a link in the description below, but I'm not going to go into it in this video. You just need to understand that you count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then the 4 and the 8 are pauses. Now let's show you how to dance it together with your partner. So when you do it together, you're going to face each other. The guys, you're going to start the same way we just taught you. You're going to step forward with the left, okay? Now, ladies, you're going to start from the back half of the basic, okay? So, ladies, you want to start with your right foot. So, watch Kim here. She's going to go back with the right, replace together, and then she goes forward with the left, replace together. So, let's turn around one more time so you can see from this angle. So, now, ladies, you're starting from the right leg going back when you dance in couples, okay? So, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. But it's exactly the same step, ladies. It's just you start from the back half of the basic, but it's exactly the same step. So one more time, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to turn the basic, so you can turn the basic on one spot. Same steps, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can turn it around on one spot when you get comfortable. If you're not comfortable turning it, just stay on one spot. Just a quick tip about the hold here. We're going to have the man's left arm and the lady's right arm at roughly the lady's eye level, okay, or a little bit lower is fine as well. And then the man's right arm is going to go on her, just underneath her shoulder blade. And ladies, you just rest your arm on his shoulder here. So that's our hold for the salsa, okay? There are many other different holds you can use, but this is just the most basic one. It's called closed hold. And now let's do this basic step to the music. Now that you've mastered the most basic step, we're going to show you another fundamental salsa step, which is the side basic step. Okay, let's follow with us again from home. Do the step with us here. So again, we're going to start with the left one. We're both going to do the same direction first. So we go side with left, replace on the right, close left foot to right foot, and switch weight. Side with the right, replace on the left, close right foot to left foot, and switch weight. One more time. Side, replace, together. Side, replace, together. And we count it the same way. 1, 2, 3, pause. 5, 6, 7, pause. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we will just watch Kim here. She's going to keep dancing it, and you can see she's getting into her hip every single time, okay? So you can get into your hip. Make sure you're putting your heel down every time, and you're switching weight, just like in that basic step. Very important. All right, and now we're going to show you how to dance it with a partner. So for the ladies, you're going to start to the right side, okay? When you dance together with the partners. Same steps, just start with the right leg, ladies. So you go side, replace, together. Side, replace, together. 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7, a 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. We can turn it around. Guys, same step for you. You go side, replace, together. Side, replace, together. Side, replace, together. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this arm here can be a little bit lower. You can see for styling, I'm just bringing it down a little bit. Or it can be up here, okay? Whatever you want. This is fine too. The main thing is you don't want to move the arms too much, okay? Sometimes you see people trying to do all of this kind of stuff. It's not really what you want to do. You want to keep the upper body quite still and let your most of the work come from the lower part of the body with a lot of weight into the floor and hip action. Now let's show you the side basic to the music. Now we're going to be showing you how to combine these two figures together. But before we do that, we just want to mention that if you want more salsa dance lessons as well as other Latin and ballroom dance lessons, please make sure to join us at passionfordancing.com. We have over 300 video lessons that you can check out on our website. Also, if you'd like to get 5 free dance lessons teaching you some of the most social basic dance steps in the ballroom and Latin genre, we'd love to do that. There's going to be a link to get those videos somewhere here on the video, or there's going to be a link in the description below. All you have to do is put in your email address and we'll send them to you right away. All right, and lastly, we're going to show you how to combine these two figures together. So the first one we did was the main basic step here. We'll go forward and back, and now we can go side to side. Yeah, and again, we're going to go forward and back, and then we can go side to side. Yeah, so basically, if we face each other, and you can follow with us at home, we're going to do the basic steps. So ladies, you start back with the right, guys start forward with the left. We go 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Then over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of lead the ladies to go to the side. So I'm going to kind of give her a little bit of a lead from my right arm to go to the side, and now we can do the side basic together, right? And then from here, I can apply pressure forward, and then she knows it's back to the basic, okay? So let me show you now so you can see how I'm leading this. So again, we start with the basic step. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and then I want to lead my partner to the side, okay? So this is very important here, okay? I'm going to lead her to the side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and apply pressure forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And you can do as many as you want, so we can do as many forward and back basics as we want. And then whenever I want to, I can just lead her to the side. So just lead her, and we go side. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And then again, applying pressure forward, and that means I'm changing direction. So that's how you can combine these two figures together. Now let's do it to the music. We're going to do these two steps, as well as we'll show you some other salsa steps that we teach in our membership, so you can see some other salsa steps. All right, we hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you did, please like it and share it with a friend. And if you'd like to get more salsa dance lessons and other Latin and ballroom dances, please check out our membership at passionfordancing.com. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.